In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add employee in Zoho People to Payroll. This process is done from inside Zoho People, and it is useful when you have already created an employee profile in your HR system and now you want that employee to appear in Payroll. Syncing employees helps keep your records consistent, reduces manual entry, and makes sure payroll actions are tied to the correct person. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Zoho People and click Payroll. This takes you into the Payroll area, where you can manage payroll-related tools and options. Once you are in Payroll, go to the top menu and select Settings. Settings is where you control configurations, including how employee data is connected between Zoho People and Payroll. Inside Settings, move to the left sidebar again and click Employee Sync. This section is specifically for bringing employee profiles into Payroll. It is a good place to check whenever a new hire is not showing up where you expect in Payroll, because syncing is often the missing link. Now click the button labeled Plus Sync Employees. This opens the syncing window where you can choose which employee you want to add to Payroll. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct employee, especially if there are similar names in your organization. If you use naming conventions or employee IDs in your system, use those details to confirm you have the right person. Next, select the employee name from the list. After you have selected the correct employee, click Submit. Submitting starts the sync and adds that employee to Payroll so they can be included in payroll processing. After you submit, give the system a moment to apply the change. If you do not see the employee immediately, refresh the page or navigate away and return to Payroll to confirm the sync is complete. That covers everything you need to know.